Tēnā tātou e te whānau, nau mai, hara mai ki te rānei. Ko Emily Ranginui tōku ingoa no Tūhoi Ruapani Ahau. So, hey whānau, my name's Emily Ranginui. I'm a part of the Social Work Registration Board. And today we're going to go through the CPD log and how to upload your information. Once you have signed into your My SWRB, you are presented with the My Details page. Please check your details, make sure they're all up to date and hit save. Then we'll head up to the right to the CPD tab. And here's the information about our continuing professional development. As you know, as a registered social worker, we have to do a minimum of 20 hours. And this is where we are now going to add those entries. You can do that continuously over the year so that you don't forget the different trainings that you attend or the different readings that you do. To add a new entry, we come here to the Add CPD Log button. We click on here. We come over and we click the date that we did the training, reading, the CPD. So I'll go the 12th, and then we add the time. So I'll go 2 hours. We choose what it is, and in this case, I was listening to a podcast, and that podcast was you can choose which relevant competency it connects to, and this was about working with Māori. So I listened to the IOR podcast, and it was about Hine Ngaro. Ka pai? And then you're welcome to add a reflection here. It's no longer mandatory, that changed this year, but it is really cool for your own reflection and for your own records to add a bit of a kōrero there. Once you've finished, we click on this box and this will tell us that this entry is finished. And then we save and submit. As you can see at the top, it says saved, and we have a blank sheet ready for you to add your next training or CPD entry. If we go back to the front of the CPD by clicking on that tab, as you can see, my total hours has gone up to 4. And when you scroll down, you can see the entry here. And because it says true, that means that it is confirmed that I did attend it and that it is complete. You can edit that entry. So whether you make a mistake or you think of more information to add, up to you. We just click here on the update button, and I'm going to change the length of time. It was only an hour. So we'll click 1. Scroll down. I don't feel like I need to add anything more, and I'll hit update. Okay, so that's been edited and saved. So I'll close this, and it hasn't changed here. Now, if you push the find button, it will update the information. If you have been selected for the 2024 CPD audit, there is one more step before finishing. You will see a button that says Submit your CPD audit. When you have added all your CPD for the practicing year, please click on that button to let us know you have finished recording your CPD. Ka pai, that's us finished. Hopefully you've got all of the information you need to help you add your CPD entries. If you have any questions and need any additional support, please feel free to give us a call on 0508 797 269 or email applications with an S at swrb.govt.nz. Thank you heaps for listening and being a part of this. I hope it's helpful. Tēnā rā tātou e te whānau. Ka kite.